Did you know that certain essential oils can actually enhance your cognitive function? That's right. Research shows that inhaling specific scents may boost your focus and clarity, helping you tackle your daily tasks with laser-like precision. Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of essential oils, especially how they can help sharpen our focus and clarity. In our fast-paced lives, distractions are everywhere. Whether it's our buzzing phones, noisy environments, or just the overwhelming amount of information we deal with daily. More and more people are turning to natural solutions like essential oils to help cut through the noise and enhance their mental performance. So if you're looking to up your game and achieve that laser focus, stick around because we're going to explore some amazing science-backed oils that could make all the difference for you. By the way, if you want to make faceless videos like this, check out the links to the tools I use and other hand-selected goodies in the description. Keep watching to the end for tips on how to use these essential oils for optimal results. Now on with the show! So how do these tiny oil drops actually boost your brain power? Let's talk about your prefrontal cortex. That's the boss of your brain, handling focus, decision-making and problem-solving. When you inhale essential oils, those aromatic molecules take a magical journey. They enter your nose, travel through the airways and bam! They reach this incredible part of your brain called the limbic system. This is like the brain's command center for emotions and memory. By influencing the limbic system, essential oils can indirectly affect your prefrontal cortex, enhancing its ability to concentrate, think clearly, and tackle challenges head-on. It's like giving your brain's CEO a refreshing cup of coffee. Let's get real for a second. We've all been there, sitting at your desk, staring at your computer screen, but your mind is wandering off to a million different places. Whether it's stress from work, the chaos of daily life, or just plain mental fatigue, these challenges can seriously mess with our ability to focus. According to studies, distractions can reduce our productivity by up to 40%. That's a huge hit to our efficiency. Stress is another major culprit, as it can cloud our thinking and leave us feeling exhausted. And let's not forget mental fatigue, which is that heavy feeling you get when you've been concentrating hard for too long. Combine all of this, and it's no wonder many of us feel like we're battling against a foggy brain. So how do we combat these issues? Well, that's where essential oils come into play. Alright, let's dive into the essential oils that have been scientifically shown to help improve focus and clarity. First up is peppermint essential oil. This refreshing scent isn't just for toothpaste. Studies indicate that inhaling peppermint oil can increase alertness and cognitive performance. It's like a breath of fresh air for your brain. It has also been studied to reduce road rage and improve workout performance. Who knew? Next on our list is rosemary essential oil. This one's a classic. Research suggests that rosemary can enhance memory retention and overall cognitive function. A groundbreaking research study from 2023 found that diffusing rosemary essential oil overnight can increase cognitive performance by 226%. Just a whiff can help you feel more alert and ready to tackle your tasks. Then we have lemon essential oil. Not only does it smell amazing, but lemon oil has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. A clearer mind leads to better focus, right? Let's not forget lavender essential oil. You might think of lavender as a calming scent, and you'd be right. But guess what? It can also help enhance mental clarity by reducing anxiety levels. So, it's perfect for those high-pressure work moments. Lastly, there's sage essential oil. Research shows that sage can improve memory and cognitive performance. It's a powerhouse for focus and clarity. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. The essential oil that really stands out, and it might just surprise you. Basil essential oil. Yes, basil. Recent studies have shown that it can significantly improve mental clarity and focus. For best use, I suggest either diffusing these oils or direct inhalation from the bottle or an aromatherapy inhaler. The key is finding what works best for you. So, there you have it. We've explored some incredible essential oils that can help you achieve laser focus and clarity. From peppermint and rosemary to lemon and lavender, each oil has unique benefits that can seriously enhance your mental performance. Incorporating these oils into your daily routine could be just what you need to overcome distractions and stress, allowing you to tackle your day with confidence and clarity. Remember, it's all about finding the right oil that resonates with you and your lifestyle. As a disclaimer, never ingest essential oils unless directed by a practitioner. Always dilute properly when applying to skin. So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these essential oils for focus and clarity? What worked for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video to be at all helpful, please hit the like button. It's an easy way to support this channel and it literally only takes 2 seconds of your precious time. Don't forget to turn on notifications and check out my other videos for more tips on wellness and natural remedies. Thanks for watching to the end. Stay focused and see you next time.